Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to 365. Happy birthday to me. Hello fellow stackers, 365 here. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video marks my 1 year anniversary since I started this channel on YouTube. I actually started this channel on 3rd of October 2022. So to today's date, it's been a whole year of me making videos. Now, I want to say a massive thank you to everyone that supported the channel, a massive thank you to all the subscribers, a huge thank you to all the 365 channel members, for everyone that watches my video, for everyone that comments, for the likes, for the shares. Without you guys, I wouldn't have been able to grow this channel as quickly as it's grown. Now, we've just hit 7,541 subscribers, which is insane for a channel that's only been around for a year. So like I said, a huge thank you to everyone that's shown their support, especially those of you that have been there from the beginning, the days where I was filming in a kind of box in a red container that I'd kitted out, made a bit of a kind of lighting setup. And that was kind of my videos when they first started. And there's a few of you that are watching this video today that have been there from the start. And I really do appreciate that. You've really watched the channel grow. You've watched my stack grow. You've watched the community grow. So yeah, I just want to say a huge thank you. Now in today's video, I'm going to be going through some stats just to kind of see how much this channel has achieved and how much I've achieved in a year. Now this isn't to kind of show off or anything like that. It's just to kind of motivate those of you that, especially the smaller channels that have just started stacking channels. It just goes to show that if you put in the hard work and the dedication, how far you can come in just a short year. Now, like I said, the channel has 7,541 subscribers to today's date. I currently have 10 365 club members, and they are all on the back on this barrel at the back. So I want to say a huge thank you to all of the channel members that are supporting the channel every single month. Really cool. I want to say thank you as well to those of you that have brought me whiskies. I have a buy me a whiskey link in the description. I don't often mention it, but for those of you that have seen me mention it or they stumbled across it in the comments in the description, really appreciate it. For those of you that have brought me whiskies, I want to say a huge thank you to everyone that's followed my Instagram. I think we have 291 followers as of today's video. So again, for an Instagram account that I haven't really promoted that much on the channel, if at all, I don't even know if I've mentioned it at all on the channel apart from putting it in the descriptions of my video. It's fantastic to see that some of you have already headed over there and given it a follow. So I really do appreciate that. I appreciate the support. We have recently hit over 1 million views on the channel. We're actually currently sitting at 1,177,885. So a huge number of total channel views. That is basically totaling up all the views from all my videos. So over 1 million channel views in a year is a huge achievement as well. I've also opened up a 365 merch store, which some of you have already purchased things from. Like I said before, don't feel like you have to go and buy merch or anything like that. I only make a very small percentage after the sale. So it's not a massive way of supporting the channel or anything like that. So do not feel like you have to go over and buy a t-shirt or buy a placemat or a cup or anything like that. It's all just kind of extra things that I wanted to offer people if they were interested. But again, I want to say thank you very much to those of you that have supported the channel by buying things from the merch store. Now, I've also recently started Stackers Social, and Stackers Social is a Telegram group where like-minded people, stackers and collectors, can have a chat and socialize, share their latest pickups. And it's become a really strong, great community. We actually have 56 people in there already. And again, I haven't done a huge amount of promotion on it. It is in the description of my videos, and I have mentioned it a couple of times. I think I've got a cup down here. A Stackers Social. But yeah, I haven't really done loads of shout outs or anything about it. So I do really appreciate those of you that have joined. Like I said, it's a place where we can all just get together. It's very similar to WhatsApp, but we all get together on there, and you don't have to sign up with your real name. You don't have to have your telephone number on show or anything like that. So it's very anonymous, and you can all get together and just talk about stacking and your goals. And it's, like I said, like-minded people all socializing. So that's a huge achievement as well to be able to have 56 people in a Telegram group, all with the same goals, all the same mindset. So massive thank you to those of you that have joined that. So really this video is just a huge thank you video for all the support. It shows you what's possible in a year if you put your mind to it and you work hard. And I literally went through a stage where I was uploading videos every single day on this channel. Sometimes I was uploading 2 videos, sometimes even 3 videos a day, and I did that consistently for months on end. I had a couple of breaks along the way. You can see on my total uploaded videos, we're currently sitting at 442 videos. So you can see that this channel's been active for a year. So already I've done nearly 100 extra videos if you was just to do 1 video a day. So yeah, you can see that I've really put the graft into this channel. And also I think it's very important sometimes whenever you start any sort of journey or goal to always look back and reflect. It's very easy to not look back and look at what you've achieved. It goes with anything in life. If you've started going to the gym because you want to lose weight or you want to tone up, it's very easy to keep looking at where you want to be and comparing yourself with the Instagram fitness models and magazines and looking at how you look currently and looking at them and thinking, I'm so far away. But sometimes it's nice to look back at where you've actually come from. Look how much weight you've lost or look how much muscle you've gained. And it's nice sometimes in life just to stop. Instead of looking forward all the time, just have a little look back, look how far you've come, look how much you've achieved, and actually give yourself a pat on the back. I think it's really healthy to do that and not always just get caught up in where you want to go, where you want to end up. Now, my ultimate goal for this channel is to hit 10,000 subscribers. That's what I've been working towards. I've also been working towards helping smaller channels grow. I'm a big advocate of smaller stacking channels. I think they're a lot more authentic than the larger channels. I'll always stay true and I'll always be pushing those channels forward. You can see that once we hit 10,000 subscribers, I've actually got this channel bar to give away, made by Backyard Bullion. Really cool chunky piece of silver, and that will be given away to someone when we hit 10,000 subscribers. And then I'm going to continue doing what I have been doing for the last year, and that is promoting the smaller channels, helping everyone grow, helping push everyone up. I've also recently taken on a sponsorship from the Silver Forum, so I want to say thank you very much to Chris for the opportunity for sponsoring my future videos. I really do appreciate it. The Silver Forum is somewhere where I've brought many precious metals from. I've always spoke very highly of the Silver Forum, and I think it's a great place to buy and sell precious metals. So thanks very much as well for the sponsorship. And again, it just goes to show how far the channel's come to already have a large company, a large platform like the Silver Forum sponsoring my channel after just a short year of being on YouTube in the first place is really cool. So yeah, huge thank you. And also I've made so many friends, and that's probably, although I've brought this up the last part of the video, that is probably one of the biggest things that's come out of this channel, and that is by making so many new friends. I've made some lifelong friends, and those of you know who you are. Some of you I speak to near enough daily outside of YouTube. We communicate either via email or WhatsApp or on the Telegram group, and it's really nice to have made a huge array of close friends, of friends that I can ask for advice, friends that want to see each other do well, as opposed to in real life when people see you doing well, they try and bring you down or talk negative. The stacking community as a whole is a very positive community. Everyone wants to see everyone do well. Everyone is rooting for everyone. Everyone is pushing everyone forward. Everyone's supporting each other. And like I said, it's completely different to being in real life. If you see someone doing well in real life, you see other people trying to bring them down and talk negative about them. And that's just not how the stacking community goes on. It goes on in other communities in YouTube, and I've seen it before because I have actually run other YouTube channels in the past when I was younger, and I see that it's a kind of dog eat dog world, but you don't get that in the stacking community. Everyone just wants to see everyone succeed and do well. So I think that's a good time to wrap up the video. The candle has just gone out, but I want to say a massive thank you again. I know I've said thank you many times in this video, but I really do mean it. Without you guys, this channel wouldn't be where it was today, and I wouldn't have achieved as much as I've achieved. So huge thank you. So as always, thanks very much for watching. Thanks for all the support, and I hope you have a very nice day.